Hey guys, subscribe for daily content, and if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing video to share with you guys. Absolutely no idea what's in this box. It was sent to me by, I want to get his name right, Everyman's Pocket EDC, which is likely his Instagram handle. So make sure you follow him. Also, if he's got a YouTube channel, check it out there. Maybe there'll be more information in the box I can share more accurately and just sending people in random directions. Thanks so much for sending this to me. Thanks to my patrons for supporting me. And please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Okay. Let's see what we've got. Probably in response to my community post about knives I was looking for review. That's my best guess. I really appreciate this round. People just, reaching out with random stuff that I might not know about. That really is ideal. I'm heavily dependent on the knife community to introduce me to things that I am not familiar with. So, I recognize that. Hold on. No, yes. Hold on. Yeah, the EMP EDC relative prototype. We're going to take a look here in just a moment. I will link this page right down below. The relative gets its name from sharing design elements with the nimble, meant to be an aggressive and unique piece of pocket badassery. I think we captured something special in the Bowie-inspired design. Very cool. Very interested in this. Version you have is CPM 20 CBN blasted / stonewash tie. The first production did so well. Followed it with the second. After we, etc., do this pre-orders to open the second run. The first run is due to land February, and the second in late March. Okay, second run will have an LMAX blade and a few more options. Okay, I estimated pre-orders will be open in mid to late February. Okay, so there you go. Here is the website and the Instagram information so that you guys and check it out here. There you go. Right there. EMP EDC. And there's the Instagram. And then sign up for the newsletter if you're interested. So, this is a pro. I don't get to keep this. Ooh. Good looking right off the bat. Definitely. All right. I'm just, my middle finger is itching to reverse flick that. But let's take a look here real quick. Really like the texturing here. That's very nice. Like the fuller with the opening hole. I love the elongated jimping. I don't know if other people are like me, but it's not that I get annoyed. I just get confused when companies are like, yep, we gave you 4 jimps. We gave you 3 and a bonus jimp. Do the whole, you don't have to do the whole thing, but extend it so that, if there's a situation that calls for it, it's nice to have a spot up there for my finger, or where it feels like my finger's gaining traction. Very cool. I love all of this. Is there a bald spot under here for the clip? There is. Very nice. Very nice. Okay, here we go. Ready? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I like that blade. I like that blade a lot. I also like that there was quite a bit of blade hiding out in that handle there. That's always real satisfying. Oh, man, that does work. That's real. So, I mean, like, I'm not trying to, like, ham up an experience that is obviously very prevalent with other pocket knives that have opening holes. It's just sometimes you get them and they're just in exactly the right spot. It's just exactly what you expect. Leverage off the blade and the detent strength, right? The detent's not light. That hole, he moves and it's not like I know because I don't make this stuff. But if you move that hole back 1/8 of an inch or forward 1/8 of an inch, right, you might have a different experience relative to the detent. So that works. Access to the frame lock right here, very nice. They've cut it out, gave it a little scallop, and kept it above the show side scale, so you have a nice amount of room to get your finger in there without having to smash it in from the top. Also can obviously be front flipped very easily. Side of my index finger. Easy. Very cool. Extremely comfortable thanks to the flat clip that's been rounded off. Tip of that's a little pointy, but can't say the tip of it's really bothering me in the standard position or the choked up position. I just really like being able to get my thumb all the way up here. This blade shape is awesome. It's super thin down there. Hang on. I'll use this piece of paper here. This is my list for knives for 2022. Oh, that's just beautiful. This thinner, hold on. I'm looking for the curlicues there, or the bite. Yeah. It's nice and thin right there. Look at that. A pretty aggressive hollow grind there. Nice. Not as thin a tip as I would have thought. They kept that nice and durable. You know, a lot of times the clip point tips get real thin out there, but it's just cool looking. It's a nice big blade hiding out in a fairly narrow handle, but it looks good in the open and closed position, and is just extremely easy and very friendly to manipulate. Left-handed, yeah, left-handed index finger front flip. I have no dexterity with this finger on my left hand. Is that the right word? Dexterity? So I'm just kind of, it's also a dangerous game to play, you know, coming from the guy who could not properly disassemble the right lamella without, you know, destroying his hands. So, but I do like to, sometimes I like to, you know, open knives or manipulate knives in ways that are inconvenient or unnatural to me, to see exactly how, you know, easy something is to manipulate in a rare circumstance where you might have your dominant hand busy and need to open it, right? I don't think there's actually any time where I'm really going to need to open the knife like this, but I can, right? I can at least open the knife easily with my left hand if my right hand is busy, but manipulating this knife with my dominant hand is incredible. It's almost like, it's super organic, like, I mean, and it's probably just something that comes with handling a lot of knives, like you guys. I mean, if you've handled a lot of knives and you're going to know, like, you're just watching me do it, you're going to go, yeah, I know exactly how that feels. But yeah, the experience is very, I mean, this was created by somebody who wanted the thing to be easy to manipulate and feel very organic, right? An extension of your hand, which is what a good tool should be, right? Well, you know, not literally. You don't want, like, obviously a Phillips head screwdriver is going to be better at screwing a screw in than my fingertip. It sounded cooler than it, you know, when you start to, don't think about it too much. Just let it, just believe that I know what I'm talking about, right? Thank you very much. Once again, oh yeah, he makes it here. There's some specs here, so you guys can take a look. Manufacturing partner is Best. So that's the OEM is Bestech. John Rusk is the designer. There we go. Very nice. Okay, so this is a prototype, right? But I will go ahead and review the prototype. I want to carry it, use it a little bit. Try to make a point of this in every unboxing now. I'm going to be a little bit more descriptive so people understand exactly what goes into my reviews. I will carry and use this knife like a normal pocket knife, the way that I normally use a pocket knife, which is pretty light. I will open packages, boxes. The most extensive use that this will see is breaking down lots of cardboard in my garage, which I actually do quite a bit, especially during the holiday season. I will not be taking this out to baton with it. I won't be doing, you know, anything ultra extensive, you know, any crazy cut tests. There are lots of other YouTubers out there who do a much better job with stuff like that than I could ever do. My review will consist of, you know, how easy is it to manipulate? How convenient is it to carry? Does it feel, you know, versus the competition, the other really popular evergreen knives out there? Does it do better? Does it do worse, right? How much do I enjoy using it? And then I'll comment mostly on the design. I'm largely more of a design reviewer than anything else. As a knife enthusiast and collector, that's, you know, typically those are the elements that I tend to focus on. But I really like to zero in on quality manufacturing, fit and finish, design elements, things like that, especially ergonomics and ease of manipulation. Those, you know, a lot of pocket knives will function more or less the same, right? Obviously, there are some variables that can change that, but they'll function more or less the same. And then what it comes down to is how easy is it to manipulate, right? How dependable does it feel, etc. So those are the points that will go into the full comprehensive review after I've had a chance to carry it for a bit. I do appreciate, once again, you guys sending this prototype in for me to take a look at. I am a huge fan of the aesthetic, and it is these are the types of ergonomic lines that I like. I mean, this is the type of look and feel that I like. Very much my preferences, right? So I think that's going to be pretty much it today. Please, once again, information for this link down in the description. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.